to me. Move your feet, I'm feeling in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. Downtown we let it go, sunset high and I'm
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing my new Wildflower case. This is Emma. Sophia's not here today. We have the exact same phone case. If you guys want it, link in the description. Now let's get into the unboxing. Oh guys, I'm super excited. Remember, link in the description. Okay, so here's my receipt. And here's the case. So they gave me 2 stickers. Now let's open it up. Oh, look at that. Make sure you follow them on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. Okay, so here's the case. The unboxing is super nice. Looks super cool. Now I'll be trying it on my phone. Taking off my old Apple case. So, you should get one of these. They're really good. And I'm just going to slide into my phone. There we go. Super good. You guys should definitely get one. Look at that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn that bell on. To get this case, link in description. Not a sponsor. Bye, guys.